Hello friends, very good evening. So one more evening and one more chapter today. So we will discuss the chapter profit and loss and a few basic and frequently asked questions. Basic questions. I'm not going into the main level of questions. Okay. Now, but before that, let me inform you that I take the classes one-to-one class over Zoom online class. I provide the material and the content I take is the quantity aptitude and data interpretation and reasoning. So the first 23 years and so you can see on the screen 20 years plus experience. I worked in State Bank of India, you can see there for 3 years, and then I worked in Bank of Baroda as a officer for 7 years, and 99 onwards I am training the people. And you can see the students one to one who has taken the coaching from me got selected in a different bank. Some are officers, some are clerks. So this is what. So I request, if you are preparing for bank clerk or bank PO, staff selection commission, or if you are writing any campus selection examinations or any other staff selection examinations which are something like security related, border security force, or CRPF or CIF. So these examinations, or if you are writing the management examinations like a CAT or CMAT, spelling is strongly placed there at GRE, I request you for quantity aptitude, data interpretation and reasoning, please call me. And you can see my contact number over there. So let's begin here. Today the profit and loss. So I understand today match is there, so people will be busy in that. So profit and loss and partnership, few questions. So here we start. If an article, look at this. If an article is sold for rupees, 1 minute. If an article is sold for rupees, 1 minute. Let me look at the phone setting. Just a minute. I have to go for the phone setting and display. Increasing the display time. Where is it? App, sound, dynamic effect, Bluetooth, network. Okay, I don't see how to increase. Okay, not an issue. So I will see your response in my mobile phone. Okay. Let's begin. 1 minute. Small problem on display in my mobile. Okay. No. Just a minute. And okay. Let's begin here. So if an article is sold for rupees 585, a trader incur a loss of 10%. हमने बहुत ही छोटा क्वेश्चन दिया है. What should be the selling price if the trader wants to gain 20%? So this is what the selling price is. if the selling price which is equal to 585 and there is a loss of 10%. That means the selling price is 100 minus 10 is a 90% of the cost price. That's what the selling price is. Okay, fine. Then what we need to find it out live. Can you just see that what's happening here? Can you see here what's happening? Comment box. Acha, okay. So let's begin here. So here selling price is 90% as there is a loss of 10%. So what should be the selling price if the trader wants to gain 20%? That means my selling price should be 100% is the cost price and profit 20%. That means selling price should be 120%. So it's a very fundamental question I will say, because I know 190% is given to us. I need to find out 120%. So you can write down in any way. If this 90% is equal to 585, then what will be 120%? That's your question. So let's do it and complete this part. That's with 30 percentage gets cancelled with 30 3 times, and with 30 this is 4 times, and with 3 this number gets cancelled. That is 17 3 18 3 1 and 3 9 19 3 57 and 5 and into 4, that's 4 5 20, carry 2 and 19 4 is 76. 76 plus 2 is 78. So this is what the answer is. So anywhere is there? Yes, option A. Next one, this one. The mark price of a double bed is 4 times that of sofa set. Mark price. A person bought these two items at a discount of 14% on each. So on double bed he gets a 14% discount, and sofa set also he gets a 14% discount, and paid an amount of rupees 19,350. What is the mark price? Okay, so here what we do is we will take double bed is 4 times of sofa set. So let's consider that this is double bed and this is sofa set. If sofa set mark price is X, this is called about mark price. So then double bed will be 4X. So you are giving 14% discount on 4X because these are mark price, and you are also giving 14% discount over here. That means you are giving a 14% discount on total. And what is the total? The total is 5X. So on 5X, if you give the discount of 14%, that means your selling price will be what percentage of the mark price? 100 minus 14. And that comes 86% of the cost price, and which is equal to 19,350. So that is Madhav Reddy. Arey wow. So nice to see you, sir. Very happy to see you. Now you look at this one, Madhav Reddy. So that is given 86% of this total mark price. Of this total mark price is given to us. That is, so that means what is the total mark price? The total mark price is 4X plus X, that is 5X, Madhav Reddy. So 5X 86%. So into 0.86, which is equal to 19,350. I need to find out the X value. So now I'm sure you know how to do it. So let's find it out. We will cancel this number by 5 first. You got the answer. If you get the answer, answer it. Cancel by 5. 5 3 is 15. And 4 is left. 5 8 is 40. 5 7 is 35 and 0. and then as decimal is there, I will place the 20 over here, and with 86 I will see that how many times it goes. With 86 close to 9, I think it is 4 times. Okay, 18k, 18k. Okay. So that is 5x, 86% is 19,350. That's right. What I will consider to do is, it's 500x, instead of take this as 500x, okay, I will consider this as 400x, and this is a 100x, so the total is 500x. It will be easy for the calculation point of view. So 500x, 86%, so 0.86, and which is equal to, that's 19,350, 18,000k. Beautifully answered it. Now let's work out over here. So because the decimal, these zeros will get cancelled, and with 5, how many times it gets cancelled? 5, 5 3 is 15. I left with 4 here. 5 8 is 40, and 5 7 is 35, and 0, and followed by 2 0 will be there. And will it get cancelled by 18 times? Will it get cancelled 18 times? No. Why this calculation is going little wrong? Now here I can see that 0.86% of 500x, which is equal to 19,350. So when I multiply this part, let's see that 430x. Okay, I was writing the wrong number. I'm sorry for that. So 430x is equal to 19,350. Then what is x? So x is equal to, I can see that it gets cancelled by 45 times. So once I get the x is equal to 45, I need to find out the what is the mark price of the bed. So mark price of the bed is 4x. So let's find out 400x. So 400x, and which is nothing but 18,000. Beautifully answered it. निलंबत बहुत अच्छे करते हो आप. Okay, चलिए the next question over here. Let's move on to the next question here. A man bought two cows for the same price. So that means the cost price of the two cows is same. He sold both the cows, one at 10% profit and the other at 10% loss. ये बिल्कुल basic है. Find the overall profit and loss percentage. You will immediately answer the question. I am sure, Madhur Reddy and Anusha. Two cows, the cost price is same. So I will take that the CP1 is 100 and CP2 is also 100. In one 10% profit, so plus 10% of 100 is 10. And in another 10% loss, so 10% of 100 is 10. So 10% loss over here. So I see that overall there is no profit, no loss, 0%. So okay, what is overall profit or loss percentage? 0. But what is the actual way of doing it? No, Madhur Reddy. So when you have answered it, when the selling price of two article is same, then always loss percentage is equal to 10 square by 100, which is 1. You answered this question. Whereas the selling price of the two article is same, but we have the cost price of the two article is same. So in this case, what we do, we take the average of the profit or loss percentage. So I can see that here 10% profit, here 10% loss, and whenever the cost price of the two or more article is same, then overall the profit or loss percentage is the average of profit percentage or loss percentage, that is 10 plus 10 minus 10 because 10% profit, so plus 10, 10% loss minus 10 divided by. So you have taken the two item divided by 2. So 0 divided by 2 is 0, so 0%. So this is the way to answer this question. This is the way to answer this question. We don't answer the question in this method. Okay, that's great, that's great. Let's come to the next one. And let's see this one. It says that Abhilash bought 2 bags of rice for rupees 840 each. Is it not? The cost price of the two article is same. Cost price of two article is same. This is what the question is. And he sold one bag at 18.5% profit and another at 12.5% loss. Then you know the overall profit and loss percentage will be average. Yes, come on. So what is the overall profit or loss percentage? Whenever the cost price of two article is the same, the average of 17.5, is it profit or loss? It's profit. So let it be in plus. उसके बाद में हम क्या करेंगे? ये minus that's 12.5% because loss है इसलिए minus करते हैं इसको. Divided by, हमने दो नंबर लिया है, so divided by 2. So finally I am getting this as 5 by 2, which is 2.5%. It is in positive, therefore it's a profit. That's right, Madhav. That's right. I really appreciate. I love to see you on the board, and your ability day by day is increasing. चलिए माधव, अब इस क्वेश्चन को करते हैं. हाँ, सो अगर किसी को अगर इंटायर क्वांटिटी एप्टीट्यूड डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन रीजनिंग पढ़ना है 1-to-1 या 2-3 people in a group, then please ask them to contact me, Madhav Reddy. Okay, I quantity aptitude data interpretation reasoning, they can contact me. Okay, now here the Mr. Charan deposits 8%. What he does, he deposits 8% of his monthly salary in bank and also invest 4% of his monthly salary in insurance policy and another 12% in NSC. So total salary में वो कितना खर्च कर दे रहा है? देखिए, that is 8 plus 4 plus 12% he is spending. Okay, if the remaining amount his saving, expenditure on recreation and rent are in the ratio of 11:6:2, remaining one. So that means obviously that's total 100 minus this part 8 plus 4 plus 72. That is what remaining is. So उस remaining को इस ratio में खर्च कर रहा है. Then what is the annual amount invested by him in insurance policy? Insurance policy कितना percentage पे कर रहा है total का? 4%. If he spent 1,280 more monthly on recreation than rent. अब आप देखिए, हाँ, मंथली वो क्या कर रहा है? ये यहाँ पे आ रहा है एक्सपेंडिचर, सेविंग, एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन रिक्रिएशन एंड रेंट, सेविंग, एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन रिक्रिएशन एंड रेंट. ये आ रहा है 11:6:2. और यहाँ पे ये बोल रहा है that is he spends 1,280 more on recreation than on rent. This is a recreation and this is rent. How many parts more? 4 parts more. Over how many parts? 11 plus 6 17 plus 2 19. And that value is 12,280. So चलिए अब remaining निकालते. So what is the sum of this? The sum of this is 24. So if I take out this 24, 100 minus 24, I left with 76%. अब इस 76% का 4 by 19 and which is equal to This difference 1280. Nilambad, Madha Reddy. So the whole story ends the moment you understand this part. 76% 4 by 19th is equal to this much. So what I need, you have to find out how much amount is spent on insurance policy. That means I need 4%. So then 4% is equal to how much? We can find it out. Yes, we can find it. Find it out, sir. चलिए, हाँ अब निकालते हैं अनुषा मैडम एंड माधव रेड्डी. अब देखिए ये 19 से ये कैंसिल हो रहा है. हाँ 19 4 is 76. ये 4 से कैंसिल हो रहा है और हाँ ये कैंसिल होगा. 4% we are looking for. 76% 19 and monthly. सो एनुअल, टोटल एनुअल अमाउंट बोल रहा है, ये एनुअल अमाउंट. तो हमें मंथली अमाउंट निकल आएगा, उसको हम 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो हाँ अब इसको कैंसिल करते हैं. 19 से 4 टाइम्स कैंसिल हुआ, 4 कैंसिल हो जाता है, ये 4 से ये कैंसिल हो रहा है यहाँ पे. 4 3 is 12 and 4 2 is 8 and 0. ये क्या है? मंथली है, बट आपको पूछा गया टोटल एनुअल अमाउंट इन्वेस्टेड. सो इंटू 12. That's over. So that's 0, 12 to 24, carry 2 and 36 plus 2 is 38. Yeah, option A. Beautifully answered. 4 is missed. 4 is missed. Okay. So ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. That is option A. चलिए बढ़िया बना रहे हैं माधव रेड्डी. निलंबर माधव रेड्डी. I think I have to personally train you people. You people are so good. थोड़ी सी एफर्ट फिनिशिंग टच अगर प्रॉपरली दे दिया जाए ना, so you will clear the exam. Can I expect a call from you people? This is my contact number, Madha Reddy. May I expect a call from you? 9989720003. And so is Nilambar. थोड़ा बात करना चाहते हैं सर, क्योंकि इन अपकमिंग डेज ऑल एग्जामिनेशंस आर देयर एंड यू आर ऑन द बॉर्डर लाइन टू क्रॉस. आपकी प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी है, आप दोनों की प्रिपरेशन, बोथ ऑफ यू एंड इंक्लूडिंग अनुषा. सो प्लीज गिव मी अ कॉल, वन ऑफ योर गुड फ्रेंड्स. हाँ ओके. नाउ कमिंग ओवर हियर. Akhil sold 2 houses. Now here Nilambad and Madhav Reddy sold 2 horses. So now previously what you applied over here, the selling price of 2 article is same. By mistake you say 10 or 1% here. Now the same story comes here. Sold 2 horses for the same price. On one horse he gained 20%. एक में 20% profit हो रहा है and another he lost 20%. So you know the formula. If a selling price SP of 2 article is same, this is condition 1, and condition 2, in one X% profit and in other X% loss, then the conclusion is always loss. I don't need to explain you because you people are very smart. And the loss percentage is equal to, that's x square, this x जो x यहाँ पे है ना, उसी x को ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So that is x square by 100. You already answer the question. So यहाँ पे x के जगह पे क्या दिया हुआ है हमें? 20% दिया हुआ है. एक में 20% प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, दूसरे में 20% लॉस हो रहा है, तो हमेशा लॉस होगा. एंड व्हाट इज दैट लॉस परसेंटेज? द लॉस परसेंटेज इज 20 स्क्वायर बाय 100. ये तो बिल्कुल ही फंडामेंटल में सीखते हैं हम लोग, विच इज 4%. दैट्स ग्रेट, दैट्स ग्रेट. निलंबर, कम ऑन सर. It's a 4% loss. Madhav Reddy, answer the question. Yeah, that's right, Anusha madam. Now coming to the next one. नीलंबर थोड़ा सा बात कर लीजिए ना कभी. And Madhav Reddy, so this is my contact number, right? We will coordinate, and according to your requirement we will go for a Zoom class, 1 or 2 1-to-1 Zoom class भी करेंगे आपके requirement के हिसाब से. Okay. Now a person sold 2 shirts for rupees 880 each. So वही हो गया previous वाला question. But you can find that in one he get a profit of 10%, and in another he gets a loss of 10%. No, the loss of 20%. Had it been 10% loss, I will apply the previous formula. But here the loss is not 10%, here it is 20%. Now what is the overall profit or loss percentage? So how do we do it? We will find out the CP ratio here. Let me see who answers the question. CP ratio here. How do I get the CP ratio? Here 880 is there. Instead of that you can take anything. You can take 100, you can take 1, you can take X. It does not matter because this value will get cancelled. So for the time being I am writing the same number 880. चलिए कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालते हैं इसका into 100 by that in the one case profit of 10%, so 110. This is cost price 1. And what is cost price 2? That's 880. This is cost price 1, CP1 is to CP2. And this CP2 is 880. We need the 100% into 100 divided by, in this case 20% loss. That means it's a 80%. Now you notice that, is there any use of writing this number? No. So the cross difference. Now look at the ratio here. This is 11:8. So what will be CP1 by CP2? CP1 by CP2 will be 8:11. ये आ गया रेशियो. अब एक बार CP ratio आ गया. In the first one you have a profit of 10%. So into 10, that is 80, plus here you have a loss of 20%. Then into 20 Nilambad, and that is 220 divided by this 8 plus 10, 11, 8 plus 11. I am writing this in order to make you just understand how do we write this part. And this is your answer. Nilambad, this is your answer. So let's write down here. That is, I notice that 200 divided by 19. So I'll get approximate percentage with 19, 119. No, this is minus, not. No, 1 minute. This is minus. So you have to go for the minus here because this is loss. So, and here it comes 200 and 130. Am I right? That is 22 minus 8, 140. 140. And this is 140 by 19. I think here I am clear. So that's 22 minus 8, 140 by 19. That's correct. Now I'll go with 19. How many times? 7 times. 19 into 7 is 133. Now I left with 7 here. I'll put the decimal. So now it's become 70. With 19, how many times? 3 times. So my answer should be approximately 7.3 or closer to that. So any answer is there? 7.3%? Yes, we have the 7.3%. But 7.36% profit and 7.36% loss. So what is happening here? This 140 is in minus. Therefore, this is loss. So option choice D. That's my answer. This percentage loss. Yes, Madhav Reddy. You are right, sir. You are right. Next question. Okay, so please remember that if we have this profit or loss percentage, is it the whole way to answer the question? नहीं, इतनी लंबा लिखना नहीं है. आप एक में 10% प्रॉफिट हुआ है, दूसरे में 20% लॉस हुआ है. आप देखिए कैसे लिखते हैं इसको. सो यहाँ पे 100 एंड सेलिंग प्राइस इज 110%, जहाँ 10% प्रॉफिट हुआ है, एंड सेलिंग प्राइस हियर इज 80%, जहाँ 20% लॉस हुआ है. सो ये सीपी का रेशियो क्या हो रहा है, देखिए 11:8 हो रहा है. सो एसपी का रेशियो हम रिवर्स कर देते हैं इसको, दैट इज 8:11 करते हैं. और यहाँ पे हमें 10% प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, सो इट इज 80 मल्टीप्लाई, एंड यहाँ पे हमें 20% लॉस हो रहा है, सो माइनस 220 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 plus 11 19, so nothing but minus 140 by 19. ये होना चाहिए आपका आंसर. So which is equal to approximately 7.3 something. बट इतना ही लिखिएगा. ये प्रीवियस में जो हमने लिखा है वो तो थोड़ा समझाने के लिए लिख दिया है, लेकिन हमें मालूम है you know all these things. Now coming over here, okay. Now what is the next one? Can you answer this question? रिले में बहुत डिले हो रहा है लग रहा है. ओके, क्योंकि हम कहाँ पे हैं और यहाँ पे जो डिस्प्ले दिखाया जा रहा है वो कहीं और दिखाया जा रहा है. अच्छा, एक मिनट देखते हैं. थोड़ी सी कुछ एडजस्टमेंट करनी पड़ेगी क्या सेटिंग्स में. नो, अभी इसकी छेड़छाड़ तो नहीं कर सकते. ओके, हाँ माधव रेड्डी, दैट्स गुड. दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट. हाँ, आप बिल्कुल ही एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेटिंग. नाउ कमिंग ओवर हियर, a trader purchased a certain number of pins at 36 for ₹75. So that is CP का जो रेट है, the CP rate is, Nilamad already answered the question. Okay, that's good. 36 for ₹75. Next, he sold it, that SP का जो रेट है वो 24 for ₹100 Nilamad. Then what is the overall profit or loss percentage? What is overall profit or लॉस परसेंटेज? कैसे करेंगे इसको? तो आप देखेंगे ये दोनों में जो रेशियो है, इसका रेशियो ले लीजिए, एंड यू टेक द रेशियो फ्रॉम दीज टू. that means here with 12 3 times and 2 times, and with 25 3 times and 4 times. Then go for an cross multiplication. अब इसको हम लोग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं यहाँ पे. So 3 into 2 is 6. This is CP, and 3 4 is 12. This is SP. Now आपको सीधा दिख रहा है, there is a profit of 6 over 6. That's a 100% profit. Did you answer it, Nilambat? Madhav Reddy? Okay, Bindu madam. Hello, very good evening, and heartily welcome. Very happy to see बिंदु मैम. और हम आप सभी एग्ज़ाम लिखेंगे. आने वाले दिनों में बहुत सारे एग्जामिनेशन लाइन अप हो जाएंगे. अभी से ही प्रिपरेशन को गेयर अप करके रखिए, ताकि आने वाले एग्ज़ाम में इन कमिंग डेज, सो यू आर रेडी. you are not preparing when the notification is released. So you can contact me on this number for any clarification, that is 9989720003. Okay, so please come over here. No, should I wait? Okay, what is happening here? Okay, now I think everyone is clear here. Even if it's not clear, there's special explanation for Bindu madam. Okay, I hope Nilambat will wait. Look at this one, Bindu. That is 36 articles are sold for rupees 75, and 24 articles are no, this is purchase CP. Now 36 articles are sold for rupees 75, and 24 articles are sold for rupees 100. This is the rate at which they are selling and buying. So now I can see that these two यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस के नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स डिफरेंट है, तो इसको इक्वल करना है. इसको इक्वल करने के लिए हम डायरेक्टली इसको 36 इंटू 24 कर सकते हैं एंड 24 इंटू 36 कर सकते हैं, बट बड़े नंबर हैं तो इसकी रेशियो ले लीजिए. सो द रेशियो इज 3:2, 3:2 Bindu, and then here also the big numbers are there, so take the ratio of this. With 25 this is 3 times, and with 25 this is 4 times. Now I will go for the cross multiplication. हाँ, आप देखिए यहाँ पे, so cross multiplication ऐसे करते हैं इन क्वेश्चंस को. If you have any doubt you can call me, I'll take 1-to-1 class. Okay, now 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 4 is 12. So this is my cost price and this is my selling price. So you have a profit of 6 rupees over 6 rupees. So 6 over 6 is what percentage? It is 100% profit. 100% profit. Okay, let's move on. Phone number. So phone number is not visible. Anusha, this is my phone number 99897 20003. निलंबर आप भी पूछेगा सर. 1-to-1 हम लोग कम से कम सप्ताह में 2-3 days we will sit 1-to-1. So is this Madhav Reddy 1 or 2 days we will sit 1-to-1 sir, right? I spend lot of time with students. So ये नंबर आप कॉल कीजिएगा. डे में हम लोग आधा घंटा 1 घंटा आपके रिक्वायरमेंट के क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे. चलिए द नेक्स्ट वन. This one, the Raju bought 15 kg of palm oil. Bindu ma'am, 15 kg of palm oil for rupees 750. He was constrained to sell it at a loss equal to the selling price of 5 kg of palm oil. What is the selling price per kg? The very first thing you have to find out the profit percentage. It is given that question को थोड़ा सा समझे तो he bought 15 kg for rupees 750. Now he is forced to sell at loss. He is selling at a loss, and that loss is equal to selling price of 5 kg. So you are asked to find out what is the selling price per kg. Selling price per kg. अब हमें देखना है who will answer the question. चलिए मिलकर आंसर करते हैं इसे. So I know the cost price per kg is CP per kg is 750 divided by 15, which is equal to Nilambad is 50. Cost price per kg. Okay. Now what is the loss percentage? Now you can see that this is a loss selling price of 5 kg. So we will find out the loss percentage. और उसकी मेथड क्या होती है, हम इस बॉक्स के अंदर में लिख रहे हैं. We know that the selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. And बिंदु मैडम आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे कितने आर्टिकल हम लोग कितने केजी बेच रहे हैं. हाँ, हम लोग 15 केजी बेच रहे हैं, तो हम इसको क्या लिखेंगे, 15 kg selling price is equal to 15 kg of cost price minus loss. And loss कितना हो रहा है, selling price of 5 kg. So remove this and write down 5 kg selling price. ऐसे रिप्लेस करेंगे. ना समझ में आए तो जरूर कॉल कीजिएगा 1-to-1. निलंबर सर आपके लिए भी क्लास रखेंगे. So now when you this is selling price 5 kg selling price. ये इक्वेशन हो गया. Now you can see that when minus 5 comes over here, then it will become 20 SP is equal to 15 CP. So what is SP by CP ratio? So with 5 this is 4 times and with 5 this is 3 times एंड SP बाय CP, अगर SP 3 है देन CP कितना हो जाएगा, ये 4 यहाँ पे आ जाता है, 4 हो जाएगा। आपको प्रॉफिट कितना हो रहा है, यू आर गेटिंग, नो 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 नो, देयर इज अ लॉस because your SP is 3 and CP is 4, so there is a loss. How much loss? 1 loss over 4, 25% लॉस हो रहा है। तो अब हमें सेलिंग प्राइस चाहिए इसका। सो व्हाट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस? सो इसमें से लॉस निकाल लीजिए। सो द सेलिंग लॉस पहले निकाल लेते हैं, चलिए। देन 50 into 1/4, that is the loss, which is nothing but 12.5. So this cost price minus loss is equal to selling price. चलिए 50 minus 12.5, which is equal to, Anusha, 37.5. That's loss. Okay, okay. नीलम समझ में आई? यस, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? बिंदु, क्या समझ में आ रहा है? माधव रेड्डी, हाँ, ओके ओके ओके, oh that's great, that's great, Madhav Reddy. We all are good friends. Believe me, I know every nut and bolt to open the bank jobs exam. Please help. Take the as much help as you can. And I love to have a one-to-one class with Nilambat, Madhav Reddy, and Bindu madam, Anusha madam. 1-to-1 क्लास लेंगे हम लोग। जरूर कांटेक्ट कीजिएगा हमसे इस कांटेक्ट नंबर पर। हम आपके एक दोस्त हैं इस एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में। चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। आपकी टाइम अभी, क्योंकि एक बार नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए तो फिर रेस शुरू हो जाएगा। चलिए क्वेश्चन ए बनाते हैं। इफ द प्रॉफिट ऑन सेलिंग 20 चेयर्स इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 4 चेयर्स। अब आप देखिए इस क्वेश्चन को क्या बोल रहा है। If the profit on selling, you are selling 20 chairs, selling 20 chairs, and are you getting a profit or loss? You are getting profit, and that profit is equal to cost price of 4 chairs. So the profit is equal to cost price of 4 chairs, 4 chairs CP. Okay, now find the profit percentage. So there are two ways to answer the question. First way is the very basic approach. चलिए हम लोग बेसिक अप्रोच से करेंगे। बिंदु मैडम आपको आता होगा तो कीजिए, नहीं तो निलंबित बना देंगे। अभी देखिएगा, सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस प्रॉफिट होता है ना। तो अभी कितने का सेल कर रहे हो? 20 चेयर सेल कर रहे हो आप। सो 20 सेलिंग प्राइस is equal to 20 cost price अनुषा प्लस प्रॉफिट। अब प्रॉफिट कितना दिया हुआ है? दैट प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 4 चेयर्स कॉस्ट प्राइस, सो 4 CP आप लिख दीजिए। अब देखिए यहाँ पे आपका क्या आ रहा है। सो ये 20 CP प्लस 4 CP, यह क्या हो जा रहा है? 24 CP हो जा रहा है। सो अब कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस, सो SP बाय CP is equal to 24/20। अब आपको देखिए, अगर आपका कॉस्ट प्राइस 20 है, सेलिंग प्राइस 24 है, माधव रेड्डी, ओह 25%, दैट्स ग्रेट। सो अगर आपका कॉस्ट प्राइस 20 है, देन सेलिंग प्राइस बिंदु 24 है। क्या आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है बिंदु? प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, 4 प्रॉफिट हो रहा है। सो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज कितना होगा? 4 profit over 20, that's 1/5, which is 20%. Beautiful, Madhav Reddy, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Bindu, can you see that Madhav Reddy performance? Okay, इसकी अलग एक अप्रोच होती है। आप ध्यान में रखिएगा कि whenever the profit or loss is given, whenever the profit or loss is given on cost price, you can directly write down the profit percentage is equal to, बिंदु मैडम देखेंगे आप, 4/4 आर्टिकल का हो रहा है ना, कॉस्ट प्राइस में अगर है सो 4/, ये 20 आर्टिकल बेच रहे हैं, सो 4/20, दैट्स ओवर. 1/5 and 1/5 is equal to 20%. बस हमें इतना ही लिखना है अगर कॉस्ट प्राइस पे प्रॉफिट या लॉस दिया हो. ओके, नाउ अब आते हैं बी पर. Come on B. If the profit made by trader on selling 20 meter of cloth is equal to the selling price of, यहाँ पे selling price, profit यहाँ पे selling price पे दिया है, selling price of 5 meter. Find the profit percentage. एक तो इसको हम इस मेथड से कर सकते हैं और इसका सेकंड मेथड देखिए. हाँ, बी का सेकंड मेथड देखिए. प्रॉफिट कितना हो रहा है? 5 हो रहा है. 5 ओवर, हाँ ये 20 है ना, ये 20 को आप लेंगे यहाँ पे. ये अगर प्रॉफिट है तो यहाँ पे -5 हो जाएगा. ये अगर 5 लॉस है देन, हाँ 20 लॉस है तो नेगेटिव साइन है ना, यहाँ पे +5 हो जाएगा. सो अभी यहाँ पे हमें दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है. सो प्रॉफिट तो पॉजिटिव साइन है तो यहाँ पे -5 कीजिए. तो हाँ फाइनली आपका जो निकल रहा है वो 5/15 विच इज 1/3, 33.33% डायरेक्टली निकाल दे सकते हैं. हाँ ओके, देख रहे हैं बिंदु मैडम, ऑलरेडी माधव रेड्डी कैसे बना रहे हैं. यस बिंदु. हाँ एंड निलंबत ऑल्सो. निलंबत थोड़ी सी गलती हुई क्या, कोई बात नहीं है. सो फाइनली इतना गंदा नहीं करना है, ये सब चीज़ लिखना नहीं है. हम लोग हाँ एक स्टेप में बनाएंगे इसे. सो दैट इज ए. सो दैट्स 20 चेयर बेचने पर आई एम गेटिंग ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ 4 चेयर्स कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू 4/20. हाँ 1/5 20%. अब आ जाते हैं बी पर. नाउ ऑन सेलिंग 20 meters he is getting a profit of 5 meters. सेलिंग प्राइस पे है तो यहाँ पे क्या करोगे आप, हाँ दैट प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू दिस 5 बाय, अगर प्रॉफिट है तो यहाँ पे 20 माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस साइन लीजिए यहाँ पे, -5. कब? when the profit or loss given on SP selling price, तब इस तरह से करेंगे. माइनस, अगर ये लॉस होता तो यहाँ पे प्लस करते. तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि 5/15 विच इज 33.33%. बेसिक क्लास में अगर आप आएंगे तो हम सारा चीज़ बताएंगे. एक बार कांटेक्ट करेंगे हमसे, आप सभी चीज़ बताएंगे कि 1 to 1 हम कैसे क्लास लेते हैं. अब आप आगे आ जाइए. देयर आर 2 क्वेश्चंस निलंबत हियर, अनुषा हियर एंड बिंदु हियर. A dishonest merchant weighed 100 grams less. He weighed 100 grams less for every kilogram of sugar that he sells. Now, अब पूछा जा रहा है find his gain percentage if the merchant selling price is the same as of his cost price. Selling price is the same as cost price. तब प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज क्या होगा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है इसी में, फाइंड द ओवरऑल गेन परसेंटेज इफ द सेलिंग प्राइस इज 20% मोर देन द कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो आई एम श्योर निलंबत knows the answer. Bindu madam, do you know it? I'll be very happy if you can answer this question. Just let me have a glass of water. Okay. अरे वाह माधव रेड्डी. हाँ कमन बिंदु मैडम, देखिए माधव रेड्डी को हम पहले से बता रहे थे ना. हाँ इज वेरी गुड. हाँ अनुषा, look at the Madhav Reddy response. Okay, in the first case A, what we do is for every 1000 grams, for every 1000 grams, what he is doing is he is cheating 100 grams. That means he is delivering 900 grams only. So what happens here? Then suppose 1 gram price is 1 rupee, rupee 1, then 1000 gram will be 1000 rupees. So he gives the article for 900 rupees but collects 1000 rupees. So this is his selling price and this is his cost price. So overall, what is the profit percentage? So I can notice that the selling price is greater than cost price. How much greater? 100 greater. So the profit percentage is equal to 100 over 900, which is 1 by 9, which is 11.11%. Beautifully answered. Beautifully answered. अरे वाह अमन, वेरी गुड इवनिंग, वेरी गुड इवनिंग. आप आते हैं तो मुस्कान आ जाती है हमारे चेहरे पे. हाँ अब बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं. आई रियली रेस्पेक्ट योर टैलेंट एंड योर सिंसियरिटी. चलिए हाँ देखिए माधव जी, Aman is another very honest and sincere person. Now coming to the second one now. Coming to the B. Now how do you answer B? Anyone answer B? No, Aman. You are my youngest brother. You please call me and ask me to take the class. I will take one-to-one class to you. Okay. Find his overall gain percentage if his selling price is 20% more than the cost price. अब देखिए इसको दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. So in one case, this is 1000 grams, right? In 1000 grams, he gives how many grams? 900 grams. So this is his CP. This is his CP Aman, and this is his SP. अब ये ओरिजिनल SP नहीं है. Why? Because he is making another 20% profit on this. 20% profit, and 20% of 1000 is nothing but 200 grams. Now the total will be 1000 gram plus 200 gram, that's 1200 gram. This is actual SP or final SP. Final SP. Now you know the selling price, you know the cost price, you can find out the profit or loss percentage. So how much is the profit? I can see 300 is the profit, right? So 300 over cost price 900, and 300 over 900. Anusha, look at this. Aman already answered the question, Anusha. That is 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is 33.33%. Beautifully answered. Now coming to the next one. Okay. Now the mark price and all, my friends are very talented. So I'll be very happy if Bindu, did you understood? Did you understood, madam? Aman is there on the board. He is very nice. चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को करते. A trader marked up the price of an article by 80%. That means समझिए कि cost price अगर 100% है, 100 है, so markup 80% है. 80% of 100 is nothing but 80. So 100 plus 80, Mark price will be 180. This is mark priced. And then he give a discount on 30%. So he will give a discount of 30% on this mark priced. On this mark priced. So 30% discount. How much is 30% of 18? 18.3 is 54 rupees discount. So 180 minus 54. Then you will get that 126. So this is your selling price. Okay. So someone has answered the question. Now, what is the profit percentage? Look at Madhav. Look at Madhav. He answered it. Look at Anusha. He answered it. Now, this is my selling price. This is my cost price. Selling price is more than cost price by how much? So, it is more than cost price by 26. So, what percentage? 26 is what percentage of 100? Anything over 100 itself is a percentage. So, it's 26 percentage. Okay. So, we don't do this way. What we do is, this is your CP. You increased the markup and again you gave the discount. So, you increased it by 80%. You increased it by 80%. So, plus 80%. And again you decreased it by 30%. So, minus 30%. So, इसको XY फार्मूला में लगाएंगे. So, that is X plus Y plus XY by 100 एक फार्मूला है ना. X plus Y plus XY by 100 इसी फार्मूला में लगा दीजिए. So, that is 80 minus 30 and plus minus 83 is 24 by 100, 2400 by 100 which is 24. So 54 आप देखेंगे जो रिजल्ट आ रहा है 26 ये पॉजिटिव में आ रहा है. सो प्रॉफिट. बस इतना ही करना है. जब आप करेंगे इसको एग्जाम में तो आप इतने ही लिखेंगे. चलिए नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. यहाँ पर ए शॉपकीपर परचेज रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड एन ओवन. रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड एन ओवन whose cost price are in the ratio of 8:5. इस रेशियो में है कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो अब हमें करना क्या है? देखिए इन he sells the refrigerator at a loss of 10% and oven at a profit of 25%. यहाँ पे लॉस है, यहाँ प्रॉफिट है. And overall he has a profit of 900%. 900 rupees. What is the difference between the cost price of the refrigerator and oven? So देखिए इसको दो तरीके से बना सकते हैं. पहला तरीका तो हम इसको 800x ले लेते हैं. 800x ले लेते हैं. तो 800x में 10% लॉस हो रहा है. सो 80x लॉस हो रहा है. एंड दूसरा इसको 500x ले लेंगे. निलंबत, Madhav Reddy, Aman, and friend Bindu. 500x. On 500x there is a profit of 25%. That means 125. X is the profit. So overall when you work out on this, then you will find that this is 45x is the profit and which is equal to 900. So you are getting the x value. What is x? The x is equal to 20. That's over. X x is equal to 20. हमें क्या चाहिए? What we need? We need then what is the difference between the cost price of refrigerator and oven? So the difference between refrigerator and oven is 300x. So if x is 200, then what is 300x? So that's nothing but 6,000. Am I right, my friends? Is it 45x? Am I right? Are you comfortable? 6,000. That's good. That's good, Aman and Madhav. हाँ ओके. चलिए बस इतना ही था इसमें. अगले क्वेश्चन को करते हैं. हाँ आ जाइए यहाँ पे 3 फ्रेंड्स, ये एक अच्छी क्वेश्चन है। हाँ चलिए, अमन निलंबर पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट टू यू। चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग अच्छा से करेंगे। माधव रेड्डी, 3 friends A, B and C started business. A invests 40% of the total investment. A invests 40% of the total investment. A का इन्वेस्टमेंट जो है A is equal to 40%, 0.4 of a total investment, or I can write down is 40% means 2 by 5 of A plus B plus C. And what is the next one? C investment was equal to the investment of A and B. So the C is equal to A plus B. Okay, the next, the ratio of the number of months of A, B and C is this one. This is time ratio. This is the capital ratio. And this is time ratio. At the end of the year, if they earn 1,10,000, then find the highest profit share. So from I have to work out on this and find out the capital ratio. चलिए हाँ, अब पहले इक्वेशन को लेते हैं. I'll take the first equation over here, and what I do is A plus B plus C. Now I'll take this here 5 by 2. This become 5 by 2. Now when I take the A over here, the A will become minus. So आप देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, 5 by 2A minus A is nothing but this is 2A, 5A minus 2A is 3A by 2. So I am getting this part as 3A by 2 is equal to B plus C. Okay, हाँ अब इसको यहाँ पे C, ये जो C है ना, you put that what is okay, B plus C. The next one what I need to do is the C is equal to, what I am going to do is substitute the second one in the first. Substitute here Nilambat. Then you will find that C is equal to A plus B. Here I will write down A plus B. चलिए इसको लिखते हैं. So that is 3A by 2 is equal to B plus C is equal to A plus B. A plus B. Is it not 2B plus A? चलिए इसको डायरेक्टली लिख देते हैं 2B plus A. And is it not when A comes over here will become minus? So that is A by 2. I am getting A by 2 is equal to 2B. Then what is B in the form of A? B is equal to A by 4. So this is another result. A will be written in the form of A, and B will be written in the form of A by 4. Now I will write the C. So I will write B here in the form of A by 4. So let's write down this A plus A by 4. Then this is 4, 5A by 4. C is equal to 5A by 4. So all these I got in the form of A. So what is A? A will remain as A. What is B? The B is in the form of A by 4. And what is C? The C is in the form of 5A by 4. 5A by 4. So when you take the LCM of these, then you will be finally getting that this is 4 is 2. I will take the LCM. LCM is 4. So 4 multiply कर दीजिए 4 से ये सारी चीज़ों को. So you will be getting the 4 here, and you will be getting 1 here, and you will be getting 5 here. So I am getting a ratio of 4 is to 1 is to 5. Okay. Now, what is happening next? Come on. So you got the capital ratio, and the capital ratio is, let's write down over here. The 4 is to 1 is to 5, and time ratio is 5 is to 5 is to 5 is to 6. The total 5420 is to 515, and 56 is 30. The overall you are getting that you can cancel these fives. You can cancel the 5 over here. Anuj, Aman, you can cancel the 555. So you left with 4 is to 1 is to 6. How much is the money? 1,10,000. So this 1,10,000 will be distributed. Whose profit I need to? Highest profit. Highest profit is 6 part out of total 11 parts, and which is nothing but 60,000. This should be your answer. Yes, yes, that's great, Madhav Reddy. That's great. I really appreciate your performance, Madhav Reddy. एंड अमन भी आ जाएंगे, देखिएगा अभी. सो ये जो सारा कैलकुलेशन था, हमने रफ कैलकुलेशन इतना करके ये किया, बट यू डोंट डू दिस कैलकुलेशन ऑन द मेन पार्ट. सो इट्स ओनली टेक दिस इन द rough calculation, or else it looks like there is very big question, solution is very high. ओके. हाँ, चलिए अब हम इसको ले जाते हैं एक और क्वेश्चन करके, इसका आंसर को आज का क्लास को कंक्लूड करते हैं. सो हाँ, ये है. 3 friends ABC started business in the ratio of 8 is to 2 is to 15. At the end of the every quarter, कितने क्वार्टर होते हैं? दैट इज 4 क्वार्टर्स होते हैं आपके. Quarter 1, Quarter 2, Quarter 3, Quarter 4, and each quarter consists of 3 months. 3 months. इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन है हमें. So the capital is in the ratio of 8 is to 2 is to 15 respectively. At the end of every quarter, A halves his capital. So चलिए, A का कैपिटल कितना है? 8 है. So after 1 quarter, he halves his capital. That means it's become 4. And again the next quarter, half, it's become 2, and next quarter half, it's become 1, and each capital was there for 3 months. So add करेंगे into 3. That is A. Is to the B. B is 2, and what about the B? The B doubles his capital. At the end of every quarter, B doubles his capital. So the B is a 2 part. Then it will become 4, it will become 8, and it will become 16. So 2 into 3, 4 into 3, because every quarter has 3 months, no? So 8 into 3, 16 into 3. So instead of that, I will add this and multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. And C leaves his double his capital, and C leaves his capital constant. So the C capital is how much? 15. Then 15 into 12 months. यहाँ से capital ratio निकल आता है. So what is the capital ratio? That's 10, 12, 15, 3 is 45, and is to 4, that's 20, and 30. No, 30 into 3 is 90, and is to, that's 180. And I notice that these numbers are getting cancelled. Madhav Reddy, Aman sir, that is with 45, it's 1, it's 2, and it's 4. There's capital ratio. यहाँ तक तो हो गया. At the end of the year, out of the total profit, if C gets a 10% as salary for the managing business activity throughout the year, which is rupees 6,300. That means 10% of the profit is 6,300. Then what is the profit? Then I find that the profit should be 100%, that is 63,000. Then what is the total share of C in the total profit at the end of the year? बन जाएगा अमन, आपसे भी बनेगा, माधव रेड्डी भी बनाएंगे, हाँ, निलंबर भी बनाएंगे, एंड आई एम श्योर एंड प्रोबेबली बिंदु, अनुषा आप भी बना सकेंगे। चलिए, हाँ, बनाइए, यहाँ पे हम लोग मिलकर बना लेते हैं। सो आई नीड द सी प्रॉफिट. In order to get the C profit from 6,300, take out 10% of this, that is 63,000. Say 6,300, take it out, that's 0, 0 and 7, and 12 minus 6 is 6 and 5. This is the profit. And C को कितना मिलेगा इसमें? 4 part out of total how many parts? That's 7 parts. चलिए इसको बना लेते हैं. So that C from remaining profit, that is 56,700 into 4 parts out of 7 parts. So I know this gets cancelled with 7, 8 is 56, so 7, 8, 56, 7, 1, 7 and 0, 0, and when I multiply this, that's become 0, 0 and 4 and 8, 4 is 32. This is the profit of C. But C को कुछ salary भी मिला है, that is 6,300. So now you add that 6,300 here, then you will get his total profit, that 0, 0 and 7 and 38,000. This is my answer. अच्छा, I think I am writing over my image. Okay, so इसको हम cancel किए तो कितना आ रहा है हमारा? That's 0, 0, 414, 4832. ये हो गया प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग. और उसको सैलरी मिल रहा है कितना? 6,300. 6,300 अगर ऐड करते हैं, सो देन आई नोटिस दैट दिस इज 38,700. आपके ऑप्शन है कोई? 38,700. सर, 2 days before I was asked a question to you that how we solve these questions. Oh my God, अमन, अगले क्लास आपको हम कॉल करके जूम क्लास में 1-to-1 डिस्कस करेंगे. डेफिनेटली आई विल कॉल यू, 1-to-1 डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है? ओके ओके, आई एम सॉरी, हमने देखा नहीं. सो यहाँ तक क्लियर है आपको? आप सभी को क्लियर है यहाँ तक? अगर यहाँ तक क्लियर है तो आज यहाँ पे क्लास कंक्लूड करेंगे. और हम जो है ग्रुप में इवन 1 person to 5 persons ग्रुप में ऑनलाइन क्लास लेते हैं. क्वांटिटी, एप्टीट्यूड, DI, रीजनिंग एबिलिटी एंड ऑल. और मिनिमम चार्जेस है, दैट इज एनीवेयर फ्रॉम 2,000 to 3,000, नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स हों तो ज़रूर सजेस्ट कीजिएगा. Okay, fine. So can I conclude the class? Madhav Reddy, I'll conclude the class. And whenever I will conduct the next class, I will definitely let you know. Okay, 1 या 2 दिन के गैप में फिर एक क्लास लेंगे. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.